What's up, YouTube? What's happening with y'all, man? What's going on? It's another day. It's a new day. And I'm out and about early in the morning. So, I'm actually headed to Walmart. I'm going to buy me some fishing gear. I got to get a pole, string, weight, whatever else I got to get. I don't know. I'm not no fisherman, so I don't know nothing about it. I done it once. Kind of interested, but I think I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna start messing with that, man. It was real relaxing. It was fun, especially with me being with my little brother. So 9 times out of 10, I still ain't gonna know what to get. I know what I said, but that don't mean I know what I'm going to look for and what I'm going to get. So, when I get back there in I think it's in the sporting good area, because I ain't trying to get nothing expensive, because like I said, I'm not no pro, so I got to start off with a starter kit. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it a starter kit. So, when I get back there around the starter kit, cut the camera on and show y'all what all that I'm going to grab. Man, I done got up in here. I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting. The bro told me something about a tiger, but man, I don't know what I'm about to get. I don't even see that. Yeah, I see it. It's right here. $20 like he said too. Nah. The rest of this shit, that's what I don't know what to get. I don't know what I'm looking for. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to get my ass out of here. Get my ass out of here. I'm gonna go get him. I can't do this. This is not for me. It's not for me. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to get my little brother, man. Told y'all I was going to get that nigga. Boy, I told him, boy, I don't know what I'm looking for.
That's some ugly sticks right here. Trying to see if you got the tigers like that, right?
See, they did have the tigers over there.
Look like this is right there. Yeah.
Where? Over here?
It's cheaper than the one that sticks.
Mm-hmm. That's it?
Well, that's the one with the.
Oh, they got that. I didn't pay attention if they had that or not.
On what side, you know?
Hey, how you think I look with that pink?
Wonderful.
Nigga! Your ass. What that is?
Shakespeare. The one I got made by Shakespeare just got tiger on it like this one.
Like that one?
Page, yeah. Surprised they ain't got no open page one.
Shit, the open field one like $30. And more.
Buying them out. That's just the pool without the
without the thing on it, huh?
Yeah.
Damn. Well, I just get a.
Usually be $20.
What that is? They worth anything?
What that?
These. Oh, that's not the right one.
That's about the same size.
But the same thing?
Well, mine probably a little bigger, yeah. The real.
It's bigger?
Yeah. My thing sit way out here.
I mean, I'm just a beginner. I ain't. Yeah, shit. I ain't looking for nothing special. They ain't be doing that much fishing. Not me, anyway. All right.
Trying to size them up. See that one a little bigger.
Okay.
Take more. more of a fight, but shit, I mean,
What did it do?
real or real.
Yeah, I see the difference with that string you talking about. That's something real thin.
Shit, yeah, I don't like that thing. I think that's 8 pound test there.
All right. So what else I need? For like,
Sweet.
yeah.
Sweet.
He the professional with this, y'all. I don't know nothing about this.
Yeah, they over there.
Where, over there?
These the ones I usually get. Probably this is size 5 one. You get like a size 3. Cheap to buy the whole box in a pack.
Mm-hmm.
Size 1,
Shit, you know what to get. Grab it. I'll hold it. For- Well, y'all, thanks to little bro, I got everything that I need. Well, we couldn't find no weights, but he told me what I can use for weights or whatnot. But I'm gonna go with that because I got what he told me to use. I got plenty of them at the house that I don't use no more. So I ain't gonna worry about the weights. I got everything else, and so now. I need to call them people to see if they're finished with my damn decals. But if not, I'm going home and see about putting my pole together. See how bad I can mess that up. And I think that's probably gonna be pretty much my day right there. So 9 times out of 10, I'm probably gonna head home because they ain't called me yet and told me nothing. So I will get back with y'all when I make it to the house. Well, I made it home, y'all. So got my little starter kit, got my wire, got the hooks, got the fishing pole. This is what I'm gonna use for my weight. Use this, a socket for weight. They didn't have none in Walmart, so using my own style. So with that being said, I am about to try to hook this up. Know this about to be funny as hell, but I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna hook this up right quick and I'm gonna get right back with y'all, man. So after many attempts, I got it. Am I proud of myself? No. Because I done spent about 2 hours on this one situation. But I got it. So, it's going to be the end of this video. And I'm not even about to go to the store to go buy nothing to even fish with. But, I sure appreciate y'all watching this little short clip that I did for the day. I'm gonna show y'all all this string that I wasted. It's not all of it either. Yeah, got some more right here. Yeah. So, like I always say, if you ain't subscribed yet, man, go ahead on and subscribe. Next video most likely will be a fishing one because I'm planning on doing that in the morning, but it's not guaranteed. So y'all subscribe, stay tuned, stick with me, hit the like button, go ahead on and leave your comments in the bottom down below, and I will get back with y'all on the next video. Deuce out.